This video is for training purposes only. Surgical site infections, or SSIs, remain a prevalent threat to patient safety. Proper surgical hand scrub or rub techniques are essential to decreasing its incidence. This video provides surgical hand rub instructions using a waterless, alcohol-based antiseptic. Before beginning the surgical hand rub procedure, you must remove all jewelry from both hands and arms. Inspect your skin and nails. Ensure your skin is free of any cuts and wounds. Nails must not extend past your fingertips, and nail polish must be intact without chips or scratches. Remember, acrylics, artificial nails, and nails with foreign bodies are not allowed in the operating room. Put on your PPE. Make sure your hair and ears are tucked into your surgical head covering and that any neck jewelry is contained in your surgical attire scrubs. Don proper eye protection and a surgical mask covering your nose, mouth, and if applicable, facial hair. The surgical hand rub procedure may be used for any case of the day, including the first case. If applying the antiseptic for the first case of the day, or if hands or nails are visibly soiled, you must first wash your hands and arms thoroughly with hospital-approved soap and water to remove any gross contamination or transient flora. Then use the disposable nail pick located above the sink to clean under your fingernails under running water. Dispose of the nail pick in the trash can beside the scrub sink. Rinse hands and forearms. Once both of your hands and arms have been rinsed, dry your hands and arms thoroughly with a towel. Make sure your hands and arms are completely dry before applying the antiseptic. Remember, hands and arms must be washed and nails picked before the first case of the day. Subsequent uses of the antiseptic do not require pre-wash unless hands or nails are visibly soiled. Dispense 1 foot pump, which is approximately 2 milliliters, of the antiseptic into the palm of one hand. With the opposite hand, put your fingertips together and dip them into the antiseptic. Work the antiseptic under your fingernails and spread the remaining antiseptic over your hand and up to 2 inches above your elbow, covering all surfaces. Do not return to a section of the forearm once it is completed. Dispense another foot pump of the antiseptic in the opposite hand and repeat the same procedure with the other hand and arm. Make sure to work the antiseptic under your nails, moving up the hand and forearm. Dispense a final foot pump of the antiseptic into either of your palms and apply it to all aspects of both hands up to your wrists. If contamination occurs, repeat the entire rub procedure. Continue rubbing the antiseptic into hands until it dries. To avoid contamination, keep hands above the level of the elbow and away from scrub attire and non-sterile surfaces. Do not shake or wave hands or use a towel to speed up drying. With hands still above the level of the elbow, walk backwards through the operating room door. Wait for the antiseptic to dry completely before donning a sterile surgical gown and gloves.